Hey there, YouTube. What happened since 3 days ago? I got the dovetail profile in one of those channel profiles, and I assembled another axle with a stepper motor, connected everything. This is very poorly made. I just set it on there and it works for now. And this as well, it's just a piece of paper that I clamped down with a single screw. And if you look exactly, like, get a lot of clearance there. Later on, if it's like all done, there won't be any more clearance, I hope. No, that might work. And I also built this highly complicated mechanical fixture. It's holding a pen. And today we want to see if it can draw a circle. So let's plug it in and see what happens. Whoop. Sorry for that. Alright, we are connected. Manual control. Let's give us a little clearance. So X50. Oh, that was Y. This is X50. Now it's moving over there. Alright. Try to put the code in first. Yeah, we'll draw a circle of approximately an inch in diameter, and let's set the speed to 500 millimeters a minute. And I'll just remove the cap of this highly complicated fixture. And it needs to be recalibrated. Very important. I don't know how much pressure we need on there. Let's see if that's good. And then it should start and should draw a circle of about an inch in diameter. It will probably look pretty nasty, but I mean, let's just give it a try and see what happens. Oh yeah, that's nasty. That's nasty. But I think you can see that it can draw something like a circle already, and well, yeah, it's all about those tolerances here and there, and oh, this clamp fell down. Yeah, I'll keep you up to date. As you can see, the controls work. It's just all about the manufacturing, which takes forever. And I hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.